Hey, it's Mike with Kranzle USA, Pressure Washer Perfection. And today we are choosing the winner of the Detail Kit giveaway. We were giving this kit away as celebration of finally having stock, and many select dealers also now have stock. That's Obsessed Garage in Florida, Elite Garage, Right Look, H2O, Detail Division, and a few others. So if you're looking for an 1122 or a 1322 or a 1622, contact the appropriate dealer. Reminder, only Obsessed Garage has the 1322. Anyway, the detail kit, let's get this started because there's a whole bunch of contestants, and our little script here that's running in the background is choosing, or will choose when we hit stop, one of the winners. And we just want everybody to get thoroughly into the system and run in the background. Now, the detail kit includes an official Kranzle foam cannon that we've added quick disconnects to. It comes with a Mosmatic swivel, which is awesome. That when you're using it allows the hose to not get tangled so much. It's got the 22 millimeter adapters. It's got a pack of nozzles, as well as a Starlet gun jet, which is a Kranzle gun jet. So this tool works awesome. I know, I use it personally every weekend when I do my car washing, etc. It's just a great upgrade to your Kranzle pressure washer. So let's see, it's been running for a bit now, and we're going to do a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. And our winner is Brad. Brad chose Detail Connection as the closest dealer to them in New York. Now, Brad, I have your full contact information, so I'll reach out to you so you can get your detail kit delivered. Everybody else, thanks for entering, but you're also a winner because for the next week, we are going to let you have 10% off a Dirt Killer Kranzle detail kit. Just visit dirtkiller.com and at checkout, enter 10 detail right here, 10 detail, and you'll save 10% on your purchase. That coupon code is good for the next week. Everybody, thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy your Kranzle. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Be sure to leave a comment in the section below. Give us a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. My name's Mike with Kranzle USA. Pressure Washer Perfection.
Kranzle USA. Pressure Washer Perfection.